इस समय की सबसे बड़ी दुखद खबर सामने आ रही है। उड़ीसा के बालासोर जिले के बहानागा रेलवे स्टेशन के समीप शाम 6:51 पर बड़ा रेल हादसा हो गया। बहानागा रेलवे स्टेशन के पास कोरोमंडल एक्सप्रेस 12-841 और मालगाड़ी में जबरदस्त टक्कर हो गई। टक्कर होते ही ट्रेनें पलट गई और इस हादसे में 50 लोगों की मौत हो गई और 350 से ज़्यादा लोग बुरी तरह से जख्मी हो गए। रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन के लिए एनडीआरएफ के अलावा स्थानीय पुलिस, रेलवे पुलिस के साथ साथ स्थानीय प्रशासन की टीमें भी मौके पर पहुंच गई। 50 से ज़्यादा एम्बुलेंस घायलों को ले जाने में लगी हैं। जानकारी अनुसार 3 ट्रेनों की हुई टक्कर। एसएमवीबी हावड़ा एक्सप्रेस 12-846, कोरोमंडल एक्सप्रेस और मालगाड़ी में टक्कर हुई है। झारखंड के सीएम हेमंत सोरेन ने भी गहरा दुख प्रकट किया है। चीफ सेक्रेटरी प्रदीप जैना ने कहा कि हमारी पहल चिंता पीड़ितों को बचाने की।
I've just been reviewing the situation about this truly tragic railway accident. I'll be flying there early tomorrow morning to naturally review the whole situation. We are naturally concerned about looking after the bodies and removing all the living to the hospitals. That is our first concern, to look after the living. And I'll be there on the spot tomorrow.
What is the current status over there? Honorable Chief Minister Sri Naveen Patnaik just visited the state control room, which has been set for the purpose. Of course, our state emergency operation center is a permanent control room. So for there, myself, Development Commissioner, Principal Secretary Transport, Principal Secretary INPR and MD State Disaster Management Authority all were present. And from there, Honorable Chief Minister reviewed the situation. I briefed the Honorable Chief Minister about the latest situation at the accident site. Then Honorable Chief Minister also talked to the District Magistrate Balasore and took the first-hand information as to what has happened and what additional support will be required. So as part of my briefing, we told that the District Magistrate, SP and Range IG Himanshu Lal, they were the first to reach, and 3 NDRF teams, 4 ODRAF teams, more than 20 fire service teams have been deployed. Few platoons of force have been deployed. So more than 600-700 rescue force is working there, and adequate tower lights are there, ASCA lights what we call, so that entire night the rescue operation will continue. And Baleswar Medical College, SCB Medical College, district headquarter hospitals of Baleswar, Jajpur, Bhadrak, Cuttack, all are kept in readiness. All private hospitals in Baleswar, Bhadrak and along the road have been asked to provide support. Adequate additional officers from Bhadrak, Baleswar have been deployed. More than 30 buses have also reported in the accident site to assist the administration in providing temporary support to the passengers. Yes, we have got information, though I can't confirm the numbers. We have got information about a number of people who have died in the accident. So we have we will follow the procedure for the dead people. We will collect the bodies, then we will keep them so that their identification and other processes will happen. But right now, that is for tomorrow morning. But right now, our concern is how do we rescue the injured passengers and provide them medical relief. That is the immediate concern. I understand that because of this, several trains have either been diverted or have terminated in few stations in Odisha. So all the district magistrates and the SPs have been told to provide support to all such passengers in stranded in different stations. And DG Fire Service has been sent to the site. Additional DG Railway has been sent to the site. Special Relief Commissioner himself, Mr. Satyavrat Sahu, Additional Chief Secretary, has been moved, and Hemant Sharma, Principal Secretary, Industries, Balbodh Singh, MD, OMC, Arvind Agrawal, Special Commissioner, WCD, all additional officers have been sent. Collector and District Magistrate Jajpur, District Magistrate Bhadrak, District Magistrate Baripada are providing ancillary support to Collector Baleswar. We are in touch with Railway Board Chairman has also talked to me. We have got inquiries from Honorable Prime Minister's office also. Honorable Chief Minister, he has already told, he is travelling to the accident site tomorrow morning to take first-hand stock of the situation. We are trying all our best to do whatever best is possible in these given circumstances. We have adequate machineries. And throughout the night, me and my colleague officers, including Development Commissioner, Principal Secretaries of Commerce Transport, Usha Padi, and INPR's Secretary Sanjay Singh, all of us will be in the control room tonight to coordinate with the district administration, and we'll try our best.
So how many persons are admitted in hospital?
My information is about 1.5, almost about 45 minutes before. More than 300 had reached, reported Baleswar. But in the meanwhile, Soro PSC, Bahanaga PSC, other PSC, CSGs, SDH have received patient injured. And Bhadrak collector just reported me when Chief Minister was reviewing that he has also started receiving patients. More than 50 patients were received, and another 300, 400 patients can be managed also in Bhadrak. Besides, Collector Cuttack is deployed in SCB Medical College right now along with the superintendent and other senior officers. Director Health Services, Director Medical Education and Training, all are camping in SCB Medical College to provide additional support. Health Secretary is operating continuously, working with the different hospitals, including government, private and AIMS, to make whatever contingency arrangement so that we can deal with the situation.